our lovely Debbie. We've arrived at Ashmore Maze and Lavender Farm. So we're just in the maze finding our way. So which way we're going to go next, Deb? Left or behind? Let's give them a go. Merry Christmas, Deb. Santa's been. Here we are at our motel here at Carrum Downs on Christmas morning. Oh, who's excited? Oh, some clothes. Nice. What's your other present? Got lots of lovely clothes. Oh, what's this one? Oh, what is it, Deb? Some nice smelly stuff. Oh, what else is in the box? Let's have a look. Oh, we've got some bath bombs. Looks like some soap. It smells beautiful. Is that nice? Nice smell? Oh, pretty.